In this video, I'll show you how you can add the CourseMate access to your Blackboard course. So similar to MindTap, I've added in an area called CourseMate over here on the side, but of course you can add in your CourseMate links wherever it makes sense within your Blackboard course. Once you're in the area where you want to add in your CourseMate access, just like we did with MindTap, you'll go into your Tools menu and choose Cengage Learning Mind Links from the list. The Content Source menu will appear. As you did before, you can search by author or you can scroll through the list. Once you find your book within the list, simply click on its link and you'll be taken to the CourseMate resource list. Here you can add in a single link to take students to CourseMate, or you can start by adding in links to take students to specific resources. You could also create a link to take the students to the specific chapter's resources. I'm going to start by doing that. So I'm going to add in the resources for this first chapter as well as this second chapter. You'll notice that for the quizzes, you do have the ability to add in a Blackboard gradebook column should you want those scores to port directly into the Blackboard Grade Center. As we did before, I'm going to hit Confirm Selections and Save. And we'll hit Submit. So now we have links that would take students to the CourseMate resources for chapters 1 and 2. When I click on the link, the resources will open. When CourseMate opens for the first time, you'll be prompted to set up your course information. This is so that you can track the students' usage information within the engagement tracker. So I'm just going to go through and fill this out. So I'm going to give the course a title, put in a section number, estimated enrollment, and the academic term. You do not need to put in the class meeting days unless you'd like. The last option that you have is to provide students with information on class averages. This would allow students to see how their performance tracks against the class average. If you want students to see that, you can hit the checkbox. If not, you can leave it blank. We'll hit Next, then we're given confirmation of what we've entered. We'll hit Next once again, and then Done. So now the course is set up and everything is good to go. You can return to this home menu if you want to go through and start taking a look at the resources.